Hi, today I want to discuss about the Agile Scrum methodology and how it is interacting with AI. Okay, now this is a very big question. Should we still use Agile Scrum or should we not use it? What is Agile Scrum? How does Agile Scrum work? Well, look, to put it in a nutshell, right, Agile Scrum itself is a whole big topic, right? But look, Agile Scrum has things like, like epics and user stories and your Scrum board and, your sprints and all these type of things, right? To explain it properly, you have your sprints that happens every second week or third week or something like that. And basically Agile Scrum is good to use when there's a lot of developers involved. Your team members can find out all the tasks and go from there. You have your sprint plannings, you have your showcase, you have your daily stand-ups. I mean, I don't want to go through all of that or else this video would take a long time to talk about, right? Now the concept is now websites can be developed very quickly or using AI and all these things, and it really depends how complex the website is and should we use Agile Scrum for that or not, right? Now some people are bypassing Agile Scrum totally and they're just developing the website and just going from there, right? And obviously the fact is that some websites that used to take 1 or 2 months or even 3 months to make are getting made in a matter of weeks. Some websites are even getting a matter of days. Like for example, like a basic contact us form and about us form, they're making a matter of days. And you might have heard, like your old concepts of like content management systems like WordPress or Drupal. I mean, these things are being less used now. Now you just use AI to make your website, right? So it's a balance here, right? Some people, I know some firms, they might, maybe some government firms that refuse to use AI, and therefore they're still using the Agile Scrum methodology in a lot of their work. Especially like a website project, such as a CRM system, such as Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics, and they refuse to use AI, and they're continuously using Agile Scrum, like Jira or Azure DevOps and all those type of things. But then, you got your small companies or you got your small consulting companies that want to use AI for everything, and they say, well, let's bypass, Agile Scrum and forget about everything and just make the website and go from there and just make the customer happy. So these are the things to consider, Agile Scrum versus AI, and the more the technology gets evolved, the more the questions will arise. You know what I mean? I mean, these days there's third-party tools like there's like AI tools that will record your Teams recording, Microsoft Teams, right? And then from there, you can upload that recording into your ChatGPT, and it can make your, your minutes in meeting documents just there, and you can revise all your meetings and go from there. I mean, this is the power of AI, where you can just upload maybe like a document or MP3 file or something like that, or even something like that, and it can make a summary of your document and go from there. So this is something really a good topic to consider, right? And I hope these views came into handy. Thanks for watching this video.